Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make blue spirulina. Measure your dry spirulina and blend carefully to preserve phycocyanin. Use low heat if heating, avoid metal tools that may dull color, and mix with acidic ingredients to brighten hue. Store in an airtight, cool container away from light. I will walk you through step by step, including texture checks and flavor balancing tips to get a vivid blue result. Start by assembling ingredients and tools on a clean surface. Scoop the spirulina powder carefully to avoid clumps, and choose non-reactive utensils to protect color. If aiming for bright blue, add a small pinch of citric acid or a few drops of lemon juice to a little water before mixing. I will explain proportions, gentle blending techniques, and common swaps so you can adapt the process to smoothies, syrups, or baking without losing color. Begin by combining a tablespoon of powder with 2 tablespoons of cold water and whisk until smooth. Slowly incorporate this paste into your chosen liquid while blending or whisking to avoid lumps. Taste as you go. Add more powder for deeper blue or dilute if flavor becomes too pronounced. I will offer ratios and timing cues so your texture stays silky and your color remains vibrant across drinks, frostings, and batters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.